Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing an audio plugin and preparing your audio file. This gets you straight into action. Open Figma, then the plugin panel and search for a trustworthy audio tool. Once installed, upload your MP3 or WAV into the plugin interface. Make sure file size and format match plugin limits. You do this now because Figma doesn't natively embed audio into frames, so the plugin becomes your bridge. After upload, place a placeholder shape on the canvas to attach the track. Once the audio is attached, configure playback settings so it behaves predictably during demos. You will set start time, loop behavior, and volume in the plugin. Choose whether it autoplays on load or triggers via click. Next, connect the frame to your prototype flows so transitions align with beats or narration. Make sure to preview in presentation mode and tweak delays or offsets. This helps maintain timing between visual changes and the audio cues you want the viewer to hear. To finish, thoroughly test the prototype on both desktop and browser builds so you catch platform differences. Share the link or export the flow and remind viewers to enable audio playback in their browser. Many failures are just muted tabs. If something goes wrong, check plugin permissions, update the plugin, and confirm the file format and size. Re-upload a shorter test file if needed. Once done, document the plugin settings you used so you or teammates can reproduce the exact experience later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.